Hey guys, it is Quincy with aslightlyBetterWife.com. I have an awesome gluten-free Scotcheroo recipe to share with you guys today. If you need to make bars to take like to a potluck or a friend's house, or you just want to have a treat at home. We are a gluten-free family of 7, and so it's been really important to me to find treats that I can make that are gluten-free. But I don't love baking. I don't love being in the kitchen a lot for this kind of thing in desserts. Like, I love to cook. I will cook all day long for my family, but I don't love doing the treats. So I have found a way to make this that is like super simple and easy, and I will share that with you. I just want to make a couple of quick notes. One, when I use like containers of things, I use the whole thing. So I will use the whole container of corn syrup, the whole container of peanut butter, because I don't want to have to measure those out and like deal with washing the sticky out of the measuring cup. Two, this makes a giant pan worth, and that is the only way I know how to do it. So I think this is like a 15 by 18. This is a Casaware, maybe it's like a lasagna pan. That's what my mom got me. She got it for me to use for lasagna, and it has been a great pan for that and many things. Actually, I love this brand so much that I went on Amazon and I ordered like their pizza pans, their cookie sheets, and everything over the last couple of years. We have just upgraded to just Casaware here at our house. Okay, if you are looking for Rice Krispie cereal, don't assume it's gluten-free just because it's rice. You do need to look for a gluten-free label because a lot of them will have barley or malt in there. And so the things I look for when I'm looking for gluten-free is like, on a surface level, there are a lot of hidden ingredients that could still have gluten, but on a surface level, no wheat, barley, or rye. So for sure, those are out. So definitely if you're making this to be gluten-free, especially if you're taking it to a friend who's gluten-free, make sure you see a gluten-free label on it. This one is from Walmart. It's the Malto meal. I grew up on Malto meal. Like, we had Tastios, whatever, like all the good cereals. And now as a mom, like, we just don't do them because they really aren't healthy. And so I apologize in advance. This is not a healthy recipe, but this is a feel-good recipe, and it will do the job to take treats somewhere. So this is from Walmart. You can pick it up in store, or actually sometimes I can even get it delivered, like through shipping, like through FedEx. So especially if you have Walmart Plus, you can add that. It's like $5 for the bag of cereal. It does not take the whole bag of cereal for this recipe, but it does take the whole thing of corn syrup, the whole thing of peanut butter, and then a couple cups of sugar. As far as when I show you in this video a little bit later, I put some chocolate on the top because that makes them really good. I just used what I had left, so there wasn't quite enough to get all the way to the edges. You can do slightly better. I'm sure you can. All right, thanks for watching. Let's get into it.